Now self-destruct.
Finally!
The grotesque monster boy avoids the issues. Just what does he plan on doing about the size of Dim's giant head? If I am elected, Dim's head will be removed and filled with salted nuts.
Salted nuts!
Zim! What? Zim! What? Zim! What? Zim! What?
Why is his head so big? Why is his head so big?
Hey, look at that! It's one of them big head boys!
Go home and shave your giant head of smell with your bad self!
As you know, tomorrow is Peace Day, and nobody is as excited for the big celebration as I am. I am! Not scientifically possible!
Anyhow, send that transmission through. I wonder who it could ever be.
It is Isaac! Spencer! Devon! Maria! Florence! No!
You want to keep all your limbs, Zim. You will put me down. You will put me down now.